Awawa.
Oh.
There we are.
Yeah.
Howdy.
Des-sensei.
Des-sensei's here. He's floating above, making sure we don't misbehave. No, it's Des-sensei.
Are we gonna
It's
die?
just him. No, it's time for games. Oi, back it up.
What? I'm just wishing you well. Get well.
Just don't ruin my extensions. Hey, you guys want to know something kind of fun?
Ruined.
Yes. Wait, what? You didn't know that I have? Look at my hair. How do you think my hair is this long without extensions?
They look so perfect, girl.
I don't have extensions.
Actually?
Well, no, not anymore actually, because I ripped them out last night out of craziness.
Why?
I had a menhead moment.
Spots?
No! To cut the extensions out.
Spots?
They're not bald spots.
Yeah, not yet.
No, they're just shorter. They're parts where my hair is shorter than the rest of my hair. I'm not bald.
I can smell it from here.
I'm not bald. I'm not bald.
No.
No, some of you guys were suggesting I was bald. Let's not run away from what you guys were suggesting here. That I'm bald, which I'm not. As you can see!
My hands.
Is that why you're wearing the mask there?
Oh my god, no!
It's okay, Callie. With all the work that you do and all the stress, it's natural to start balding. Yeah.
Alright, thanks for coming to the stream, everyone. Everybody have a great day. Bye, everybody!